To add an image to a page of content, go to the Edit Page view, scroll to the bottom of your content, and then choose Add to Content. Click Add Block, and then you want the Image block. So I can search for image at the top, or I can scroll and click on Image. Click Image, and now the Add Image form will appear. To start, choose Select an Image to open the File Manager. The File Manager will display all of the images that have already been uploaded and also allow you to upload a new image. To search for an existing image, use the keyword search box. You can also select the Next button at the bottom to browse through the different pages of images. So if I'm looking for an image for a flag, I can type here, hit enter, and it will bring up any image that has that as a keyword in it. Note that you can also change the number of items that will appear per page. In most cases, you're probably going to want to upload your own image to the File Manager. To do this, you have two options. You can click and drag any file off your desktop, whether it's in a folder or just in your desktop, like the one you can see here. And you want to drag it to the Drag Files Here area, where you can see that green plus sign, and then let go. The image may take a moment, but then it will appear. You also can click the Choose Files button right here, and that will bring up your File Manager system on your computer. Once you've located the image that you would like, click on that item and open it or upload it to the File Manager. The image will now appear in the File Manager. Note you can also upload multiple files at a time if you wish. Once you have the image in the File Manager, click directly on the image and select Choose from the pop-up menu. Once you've chosen the image, the Add Image form will reappear, displaying the image. There are many options on the Add Image form. To start, select how you want the image to be aligned on the page. If you choose Right, any text will wrap to its left, and vice versa for aligning the picture to the left. If you choose Center, the image will be centered on the page with no text wrapping. Alt text is required. Describe the image by telling viewers as much as possible about the image, but at the same time using as few words as possible. The purpose of alternative text is to allow the content or purpose of the image to be available to someone with visual or cognitive disabilities. Alt text is only available to those with screen readers. To learn more about alternative text, you can mouse over our tooltip and go to this article on the WebAIM site. The image caption is optional. If you add a caption to the image, this will be displayed on the screen and will be visible for all viewers of the content. It will appear below your image. The link is also optional. If you would like the image to link to another page, input a URL into the link field. The attribution section is also optional. Use these fields to attribute the image to someone else. Note that we have several different Creative Commons attributions, as well as some other options here. So you can format this section however you like. Next, we have a zoom area. So you can click yes here if you would like your learners to be able to zoom in on an image and open it in a new tab or a new window for this original size of the image. Once you're ready with this page, go ahead and click Next. Now the Resize Image pane has opened. You have two options to resize the image. You can click any of the corners or the top or bottom or left or right of the image and drag it to the size that you would like. You can also put a specific numeric size into the box and then click the size button. All of these options will automatically hold the aspect ratio for you, so it does not distort your image as you're resizing it. Once the image is the size that you would like, Go ahead and click Add. The image will now appear on the page as a new block in the Edit mode. Note that the image is aligned on the right side of the page. I'm going to move my image to the top of the page so I can let the text below it wrap around the image. If I want to actually see the text wrapping around, I need to publish my edits. Here you can see that the image is now on the right-hand side of the screen and the text has wrapped to the left. You can also see that the zoom feature is enabled, so when a learner clicks on the image, it will open up in a new window or a new tab that is the same size as the original image. One last tip, if you would like only part of your text to wrap around an image, you can use the section break block to split the content.